First, select the model you want to machine and enter the manufacturer workspace. Next, set the model work coordinate origin. Select the bottom face of the model as the reference plane. Here, we select the lower left corner as the machine origin. Then, define the material dimensions. Select the appropriate machining operation and define the machining area according to your requirements. Next, select the cutting tool for the operation. Note, the current tool number is set to Tool 8. It needs to be changed according to the actual tool number in the ATC tool magazine. Here, we change the tool number to Tool 1, which corresponds to the first tool in the tool magazine. Then, configure the machine parameters according to the material being processed. After completing the first toolpath, continue to create the second toolpath. Follow the previous steps to select the machining operation and define the machining area. Next, select the cutting tool. Note, the current tool number is Tool 1. Since Tool 1 has already been used for the first operation, change it to Tool 2. Tool 2 corresponds to the second tool in the tool magazine. Continue configuring the machine parameters based on the material. After all toolpaths are configured, select all toolpaths for simulation. After confirming the toolpaths are correct, proceed to select the appropriate post processor and export the G-code. First, open the post processor library. Import the NymoLabs ATC post processor file. Select the newly imported post processor. Make sure Output Tool Change TXM6 is enabled to generate automatic tool change commands. Make sure all toolpaths are selected before exporting. Click Post to generate the G-code file. Select Yes when prompted to complete the export.